Hello everybody, how's it going? As you can see, we got some new goodies on the car finally. The Crown Vic got a Go Rhino push bar, and I got very lucky picking this up. Someone was partying out an old cop car or security car, and they actually sold me the push bar and the clips for $60, and even used, these things can sell well up into the $200, $300, and even $400 range, depending on who you buy it from. So honestly, this really completes the look of the car, if you ask me. Push bar kind of belongs on a Crown Vic just because of what they used to be. I was kind of nervous that people would think that I'm a cop driving it a little bit, but honestly, everyone just seems to react to the car the same way as they did before, which is not pay any mind to it because the Crown Vics are so damn old. No one thinks they're a cop car, so we got it on there pretty good. We had to cut a couple holes in the bumper. Watched a YouTube video actually to get it installed and whatnot, so that helped. We actually got it all on probably in about, I don't know, I want to say an hour and a half or so, give or take here and there. A couple tricky bolts that we had to get out from behind the bumper to get the push bumper on, but honestly, it definitely completes the look of the car, and it's on there pretty good. It's not coming off or going anywhere. You can see where the police used it at one point. It's a little rippled in there, so they probably definitely pushed somebody out of the way, to put it nicely, aka pit maneuver them. But yes, that makes the car look a heck of a lot better in my personal opinion. What do you guys prefer, the push bar or the non-push bar look on the Crown Vics? And while that is the one good thing, there is unfortunately one bad thing to note in this video, and I'll show you guys what it is, because apparently it's a somewhat common problem, but not super common. It's just kind of one of those things. Let me get it open here, hold on a second. But down in there, you can kind of see it above the radiator. It's looking straight ahead. Just below that little bolt there is the power steering fluid cooler radiator, and unfortunately that is leaking, so I haven't decided if I'm going to get a new power steering cooler for it, or if I'm just going to do the bypass on it, which would be just loop the hose around. I think I may go with the new cooler option. I mean, yeah, it would save me, or sorry, if I went with the bypass option, it would save me $280, but unfortunately, I kind of like to keep the car how it is and how it was mechanically built, and I don't do a ton of city driving, so I guess I probably don't need it. The part shop and even the garage said I probably don't really need the power steering oil cooler, but honestly, it's probably not a bad thing to have. I'll make up my mind on that, and it also might be a spring problem because this car is going away in 2 weeks. So anyways, guys, let me know in the comment section what you like, the push bar or the non-push bar version. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all next time.